All right, let's look at the homework 5.1, problem number 4. All right, so we have a table of velocity information, and we want to estimate the distance the race car travel. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we have, let's see, so they measured, it's every 10 seconds, but this is a velocity miles per hour, so we have to convert it into an hour. So 10 second is same thing as 10 over 3600 hours, right? So then we're gonna have, so we're gonna do beginning of each time interval. So we're gonna start with 181.9 plus 169.0 plus 106.6 plus 100.8 plus 123.5 plus 176.1, right? Then hit enter, and then approximate. Let's see, we want 3 decimal places, so it's 2.383. So I'm gonna type in 2.383. Right. Then give another estimate using at the end of the time period. So I'm not going to use the very first number, so I'm going to eliminate that. Instead, we're going to use the very last number. So it's going to be 176.6. Then hit enter. So you have a 2.368. So you have a 2.368. Right, so that's part B. Part C is this upper lower estimate, right? So you can see that here the velocity is going down here, but it goes up again. So this is going to be neither. So velocity is increasing on the interval, is decreasing interval, increasing on the interval, neither velocity. So this is going to be the answer, right? Let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got part A correctly and part B correctly and also part C correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.